Hi friends, test your knowledge before AWS training. Question number 6 to 10. Sixth question. Which service offers managed relational databases? A. RDS is the answer. Concept answer equal గా ఉంటాయండి. R means relational. D means database. Very simple. RDS. Next question. Which AWS service is a global CDN? A. CloudFront is the answer. CloudFront. Next question. In AWS Lambda, what happens if your function runs longer than the configured timeout? B answers. It stops executing immediately and returns an error. Timeout అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? It stops executing immediately and returns error. Very simple. Next question. What is the default maximum number of IAM users per AWS account? D. Unlimited is the answer. Unlimited. Next question. What does Amazon S3 intelligent tiering do? ఇంటెలిజెంట్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇక్కడ. సో ఏ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఆటోమేటికల్లీ మూవ్స్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ బిట్వీన్ స్టోరేజ్ క్లాసెస్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ క్లాస్ ప్యాటర్న్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.